LinkedIn growth strategy. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. One of the most effective strategies to grow on LinkedIn is to connect with top people's accounts. To do this, open your browser and type linkedin.com in the search bar. Log into your LinkedIn account using your email and password. If you do not have an account, you need to create one first. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, go to the search bar at the top of the page and type the name of the person you want to connect with. Press enter to view the search results. After that, locate the specific person you want to connect with and click on the profile name. This will open their profile page. On their profile page, click the connect button to send a connection request to that person. To increase your chances of them accepting your request, scroll down slightly on their profile until you find the people also follow section. Browse through the list and follow those people as well. This can help attract interest in your profile and improve your chances of connecting with the person you originally targeted.